Dylan, what's that you have? A ball? Oh, you got a flashing ball. Did Mommy buy you that? Where'd you get that? Where's the ball? On the mother. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Dylan, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Give me that ball. Give me the ball. I'm going to kick the ball. Woohoo! Get the ball! You put the ball in Daddy's shoe? What is it doing in the shoe? Now you're going to play with the shoe? How about... Now you can't get it out, you silly dog. You silly dog. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? You are a crazy little boy. Give me that ball. He's trying to get the ball out. He can't get the ball out of the shoe. Give me the ball. Here. It's stuck in the shoe. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, you crazy little boy. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Whoa, I got myself dizzy there. What's that, a flashing ball? That's your $1 ball from Target. Just don't swallow it, that's all. I don't need the medical bills. All right, say bye. Say bye-bye. Where's the ball? Where'd it go? There's the ball. There it is. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Go get the ball. There he goes. He's going to hide it now. He's going to hide it in the pillows. You can't hide it, Dylan, because it lights up. Look at him hiding it. You are too funny. You are a funny little dog. Bye. Bye. Say bye-bye.